Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this video, I am making this video to talk about the new features coming over to Kling AI. Not just Kling, this is 3.0. And of course, we've seen the power of Kling 2.6, which is so good, really nice. And if you've not seen the video I've done before, I've done a video where I use Kling AI to generate some amazing stuffs like this influencer. It was the motion was added using Kling 2.6, and I did a turntable here where also use Kling 2.6, and also a turntable for this product where I also use Kling 2.6, and I was able to do all these things through the Higgsfield AI because I just love making use of Higgsfield AI, and the fact that it contains a lot of model that I can access. That is the reason why I am making use of Higgsfield AI. Now, not just maybe I'm using Higgsfield AI because of the videos or because I have access to so many models. Now, I just want to have all my stuffs in one place because I am into photography and 3D and some other aspects. So for me, having everything in one place just like this feels like a powerhouse to me. So I really don't need to find different things from different places. Of course, there are other platforms that also have all these into one, but I just prefer Higgsfield. So, without wasting any time, let's go through and see the features that we are hoping or we are expecting to come along with Kling 3.0. So there is a blog post here which is titled Expectations from Kling 3.0 AI video user discussion analysis. Well, this is based on other users. Now, I'm not going to focus on going through everything here on this blog post. We're just going to pick out some of the important things or the main features or the interesting features that will be coming out with Kling 3.0. So let's just scroll through and see. So here we have Kling 3.0, what the unified model signals for the next phase of AI video and what to possibly expect. So here is the community discussion. So right here, these are the things that is also going to become Kling motion control. No, Kling motion control it's already in existence. So let's take a look at it. Platforms like Higgsfield provide access to the full range of current Kling models, including Kling 2.6, Kling O1, Omni, and motion controls, which are all these ones here. And if you've not tried it, go ahead and check there. If you go over to videos, you are going to get some of them here. You can see them here. Kling motion control, Kling 2.6, and Kling O1 edit. So if you've not tried them, you can go ahead and try them. So let's take a look at all these things. Signals posted towards unified Kling video 3.0. So there's a range of workflows. Okay, multiple public signal suggests that Kling video 3.0 is designed as an end-to-end AI video generation platform rather than a collection of separate tools. End-to-end AI video generation platform. Well, if that is going to be the case, it's going to make generation of video so easy. So right here we have range of workflow, a shift towards tighter integration between different video creation stages rather than isolated generation step. Reduce separation between initial video creation, transformation, and refinement workflow, increasing overlap between generation, continuity, control, and scene level adjustment, movement towards a more cohesive end-to-end generative process instead of fragmented too. So if I clearly understand what they are saying here is that, at this point it is currently limited to some certain amount of time. And when you create the first video, you have to recreate another one. So with what we have here, it is also going to fix that particular issue. Something like increasing overlap between generation, continuity, control, and scene level adjustment. Well, I'm really looking forward to this. I'm not more of video generator with AI. All I really focus on is making use of the photo aspect. So let's take a look at this one. Longer format. Another clear trend is the shift away from short outputs toward generation that sustain continuity over long time spans. Kling's recent direction suggests an emphasis on sequence that preserves visual logic and character identity across extended duration, minimizing the need for external assembly or corrective post processing. This is really about fixing so many things. Like, when you like try to create first video, the character isn't what you expected. You go back and recreate and recreate and recreate. So right here we see Kling 3.0 is expected by users to maintain temporal coherence, visual stability, and character consistency, which is exactly what I just talked about. Currently, I think all these AI video generators are having these issues because there are some prompts you are going to add. It is going to give you a different character entirely. I watched a video where a guy was generating a scene, and when the camera move to the front of the subject or the character changed completely, which is not really making any sense. So one, we have structured multi-scenes generation, we have subject consistency, mapping existing Kling release to Kling 3.0 capability. So let's take a look at this. When recent Kling updates are analyzed together, a clear technical progression emerges. Kling 2.6 focus on native audio generation, addressing long-standing issues with lip sync accuracy and ambient sound effects. An ambient sound effect, a critical step for for integrated AI videos and audio workflow. Kling O1, motion control, and so on. What to possibly expect from Kling 3.0? All currently available Kling model, Kling O1, Kling 2.6, and Kling Motion Control are already usable on Higgsfield, allowing creators to experiment with existing workflows while anticipating how these features may evolve in Kling 3.0, which simply means we are going to be having all these features in one. And finally, I'm going to stop here and head over to the Reddit and see what people are saying. Native 4K high frame rate AI video. While current version supports 1080p output, Kling 3.0 is expected to introduce native 4K video generation, potentially with higher frame rate options such as 60 FPS. Wow, this is nice. This would significantly expand Kling's use cases into professional video production, advertising, and broadcast quality content. Well, this is really good. If you want to read about everything, I'm going to leave a link in the description to this post so that you can go through everything. So let's head over to the Reddit post and let's just take a look at comments. So almost everything here is the same thing with what we just read. So let us see the first comment here. I am curious about how Higgsfield manage multi-character interaction across sequences. If those lessons transform to Kling, creators could edit complex scenes faster. Memory tracking and precise regional editing could reduce frustration. Testing this workflow early helps understand what might be possible when longer multi-scene projects become the normal. also known as no. And here we have I hope Halo drops something soon. It's historical, the best model for high octane action sequence, but Minimax it's lagging behind. And here it's WTF is with all those bots great glazing Higgsfield. Well, if you have the time, go through all this. But what I'm really excited about is the fact that they are trying to fix the consistent character issues and longer form video, and most importantly, the 4K option. That is going to consume a lot of generative credit, but honestly, that is really going to be so awesome because you're going to have higher quality in terms of production. So instead of you dealing with the 1080, which is sometimes a little bit blurry in most cases because the AI generation is not perfect, but with the 4K, I guess that is really going to be outstanding. Well, that is it for this video, my friend. If you want to see more of AI, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, not just the subscribe button, ring the bell icon so that you, my friend, don't miss any new tips and tricks that we will be posting every week. See you guys in my next video.